Parody Pug, what's a GPT? I'm about to blow your mind. So, something that a lot of YouTubers are talking about, and I actually learned about this from Dean Nemon, is Chat GPT. And I have a really hard time saying that, but you can type in something like 25 YouTube title alternatives for YouTube banner sizing made easier with Canva. It gave me 25 alternatives. Right now it's free because down here at the bottom it says free research preview. I'm betting they're going to make it a paid feature. But in Canva, I create a doc in Canva and I put up here at the top so I would know which program it came from, ChatGPT, 25 alternative titles for Discover the Power of Canva for YouTube. And I like the word elevate, so I might use the word elevate in a title. Say goodbye to your YouTube banner size headaches with Canva. And so I used that, a version of that, in my description for my YouTube banner description. And so I love this. So I'm keeping a copy of everything that I search in there. So you are also using Canva to kind of store documents in Canva too. Great for future reference. Yes, it is. If you do a better job of organizing than I am right now. What I want you to do is click on one of these videos. One of them is the video that YouTube thinks you should watch. And the other one is one that I think you should watch. Bye.